In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin MetaMask so you don't keep losing it. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with MetaMask disappearing from your Chrome toolbar, you're definitely not alone. It's one of those small inconveniences that can interrupt your workflow, especially when you're in a hurry or dealing with multiple tabs. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to keep MetaMask visible and easily accessible whenever you need it. First things first, let's talk about why this happens. Whenever you install an extension in Chrome, it doesn't automatically appear on your toolbar. Instead, it nestles itself away in a small area that Chrome calls the extensions menu. This menu is represented by a little puzzle icon, and you'll find it in the top right corner of your browser window. This is Chrome's way of keeping everything clean and uncluttered, but it does mean that sometimes your most used tools aren't immediately visible. So let's dive into the process. We'll start by navigating to that puzzle icon. It's a simple little icon that looks just like a puzzle piece. When you click on it, you'll be greeted with a drop-down list of all the extensions you currently have installed. This is where MetaMask might be hiding. Now, in this list, you'll want to look for MetaMask. You'll usually find it listed alphabetically, but if you have a lot of extensions, you might need to scroll a bit. Once you've located MetaMask in the list, you'll see a tiny little pin icon right next to it. This pin icon is your new best friend. Click it, and you'll see it turn a vibrant shade of blue, indicating that you've successfully pinned MetaMask to your toolbar. And there you go. With this little action, you've ensured that MetaMask will always appear in your toolbar, easily within reach. You won't have to sift through the extensions menu again. Whether you're monitoring transactions, managing tokens, or quickly checking your wallet, MetaMask is now just one click away. This might seem like a small change, but it's a significant convenience, especially if you're someone who frequently uses MetaMask. Having immediate access saves you a bit of time and eliminates the minor annoyance of searching through your extensions every time. And that's all it takes. A simple click on the puzzle icon, a quick pin of MetaMask, and you're set. It's a quick fix that brings a big convenience to your browser usage. I hope this tip helps you streamline your Chrome experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on making your digital life just a bit easier.